Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video we're going to show you how you can decrease the volume for your audio files or videos in a Shotcut video editor really quickly. So let us get started right away. Now all you need to do, guys, is add the video clip or the audio file you would like to edit and customize to your project here by moving them to your timeline. And let's say for demonstration purposes I would like to decrease the volume of that audio track here. So what you want to do is select your audio file with your left mouse, then head over to filters here, click on that plus icon here to add a filter and look for a filter called gain volume. Now as you can see, there's already bookmarked for me, so you may use the search bar here at the top to look for it or bookmark it by clicking on that button here so that you don't have to search for it manually anymore. And after that, simply apply it by left clicking on it. And in the last step, guys, what you want to do is to decrease the volume of your audio or video is simply move that slider here to the left and decrease the volume, for instance, by 1 decibel or by 3, 5, 10, and so on and so forth, depending on how much you would like to lower your video's volume. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.